If you haven't upgraded your iPhone to the latest iOS 26 because of the new design, do it anyway now because liquid glass is sticking around. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Any model from the iPhone 11 series onward support iOS 26. And that also means the second and third generation iPhone SE and the latest iPhone 17 series and iPhone Air had iOS 26 installed at launch. Apple introduced a new design when it launched iOS 26 in September 2025. People were slow to install it at first, partly because the new liquid glass design wasn't universally liked. Some users said the new design hampered clarity or made items less legible, but the latest edition of Mark Gurman's Power On newsletter for Bloomberg describes what's going on. He said the reaction wasn't all positive. Apple software updates always draw gripes, and this was the most dramatic overhaul to the iPhone and iPad operating systems in a dozen years. But late in 2025, Apple's human interface chief Alan Dye left the company, so some thought the liquid glass might be dropped since Dye oversaw development and introduced the interface. Dye's replacement, Steve LeMay, was getting praise from both inside and outside Apple, with some even pitching him as some sort of savior that would take Apple in a new direction. The reality is that liquid glass isn't going anywhere anytime soon. The interface was the result of a multi-year effort. Because of the timelines involved, any major reversal away from liquid glass would likely take years as well. While many are updating to iOS 26 now, there are still millions of iPhones running iOS 18, which can handle iOS 26. And since phones on iOS 18 are no longer seeing updates, they're less than secure. So update to the latest release, iPhone 26.3.1 now looks very different from the first versions of iOS 26 due to the recently added refinements. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications.